In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your shipping address on Dhgate. If you need to change where your orders are delivered, this process is simple and only takes a few moments. Keeping your shipping address up to date is important because it helps avoid delivery delays, failed shipments, or orders being sent to the wrong place. So let's walk through it together in a clear and easy way. First, sign into your Dhgate account and go to the My Dhgate section. This is where you can manage your personal account details, orders, and account settings. Once you're there, open your user menu list and choose Shipping Address. This will take you to the page where all of your saved delivery addresses are stored. On the shipping address page, you'll see your current saved locations. If you want to update an existing address, click Edit next to the address you want to change. If you'd rather create a completely different address instead, select Add a new shipping address. Choosing the right option depends on whether you're correcting an old address or entering a brand new one for future orders. Next, update the location fields carefully. This includes your street details, city information, and zip code format. Make sure everything is entered accurately and matches the way addresses are written in your delivery region. Take a moment here to double check spelling, building numbers, apartment or unit details, and postal code formatting, since even a small mistake can affect delivery. After that, look for the option box that lets you set the updated address as your new default selection. If this is the address you want Dhgate to use automatically for future orders, check that box. This can save you time at checkout and helps make sure the correct address appears by default the next time you place an order. Finally, click Save to lock in your updated address details. Once you do that, your new shipping information will be stored in your account. It's a good idea to quickly review the saved address afterward to confirm that all changes were recorded correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your shipping address on Dhgate. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you need to adjust delivery details in the future.